Due to its practicality and capability to transport large families, crew cab pickups are more popular than ever. But as per recent studies from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, just because they can accommodate a larger number of people does not mean that they can adequately protect them in an accident. The safety organization ran both the side and the new moderate overlap front crash tests on the 2023 Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, Ram 1500, and Toyota Tundra. In the latter test, all of the large pickups obtained good ratings, with the exception of the Silverado, which received an acceptable rating. Nevertheless, in the former test, they struggled. In the moderate overlap front crash test, the Toyota Tundra crew cabin achieved the highest grade of marginal, making it the best performing vehicle in the group. But because they don't provide enough safety for passengers in the backseat, all of the American pickups were rated as poor. In the rear, the trucks battled to protect the head, neck, and chest of a small dummy. However, all four pickups were able to keep the people in the front seats safe. As per the IIHS, submarining was the main issue with the dummy, which is intended to mimic the behavior of a 12-year-old. Due to their ability to submarine, a technique that causes dummies to slide down and forward, all four pickup trucks were given poor scores in the kinematics and rear passenger restraint stages of the test. Furthermore, in the American pickups, the belt forces were excessive. For a vehicle to earn a good rating, there can't be an excessive risk of injury to the head, neck, chest, or thigh, as recorded by the second-row dummy. The dummy should remain correctly positioned during the crash without submarining or sliding forward beneath the lap belt, which increases the risk of abdominal injuries. The head should also remain a safe distance from the front seat back and the rest of the vehicle interior, and the shoulder belt should remain on the shoulder, where it is most effective. A pressure sensor on the rear dummy's torso is used to check the shoulder belt position during the crash. Measurements taken from the rear dummy indicated that chest injuries and head or neck injuries would be likely in the F-150 and Ram 1500. The risk of those injuries was somewhat lower but still excessive in the Silverado. For the Tundra, the risk of chest injuries was also too high due to poor belt positioning, but the risk of head or neck injuries was only slightly elevated. Pickup trucks aren't the only vehicles having trouble with the revised IIHS test. Despite the test results being subpar, automakers were naturally encouraged to devote time and resources to focus on front seat safety, as the organization and others used to solely test for that aspect of safety. But according to recent IIHS research, backseat safety has not kept up with improvements in front seat safety. As a result, the IIHS is now conducting crash tests that take into account a vehicle's first and second rows. Vehicles must perform well all around, not just in the front, in order to win the organization's top safety pick designation. So none of the pickups that were previously listed qualify for the distinction. The rear seat remains the safest location for little children, as airbags can still cause injuries, the IIHS warns, notwithstanding the test results. Moreover, car seat safety is not examined in the test. According to Ford representatives, safety is a top priority, and the 2023 Ford F-150 meets or exceeds all current safety regulations and requirements. IIHS recently changed their moderate front overlap test procedure for the second row. We are always working to continuously improve, and we consider IIHS and other third-party feedback in vehicle development. F-150 continues to achieve a good overall rating in the original moderate overlap test for the front row and for the updated side impact test. F-150 also earned an IIHS 2022 top safety pick, and the 2023 model year F-150 has a 5-star overall NHTSA rating, which is among the top on the market today. Likewise, Chevy representatives say, "While we are very confident in the overall safety and crashworthiness of our light-duty Chevy Silverado crew cab, we appreciate what the IIHS has done with its new rear seat test protocols. IIHS findings are among the third-party inputs we value as we develop our products and continuously improve passenger safety." Meanwhile, according to IIHS, only 3 truck models win 2023 top safety pick, and these are the following. Although the Top Safety Pick Plus was unveiled in 2013, the Top Safety Pick has been acknowledged since the 2006 model year. The purpose of these awards is to recognize the safest vehicles in particular size ranges annually. Larger, heavier vehicles typically provide greater protection than smaller, lighter ones. Because of this, a small automobile that is eligible for an award might not offer as much occupant protection as a larger car that is not. There were only 3 trucks that won the Top Safety Pick Plus award in the large pickups category. The Top Safety Pick title did not go to any vehicles though. Number 1. 2023 Rivian i1T. The innovative design and outstanding performance of the 2023 i1T, a pickup truck manufactured by tech firm Rivian, made it the first of its kind. The i1T, which is somewhat bigger than a Ford Ranger, is powered by 2 or 4 electric motors, depending on the model. The most powerful variant can tow up to 11,000 pounds and produces a strong 835 horsepower. Compared to massive full-size vehicles like the Ford F-150 Lightning and the GMC Hummer EV SUT, it is easier to maneuver in confined spaces because to its smaller size. A spacious 16.0-inch infotainment system and a separate digital gauge display are just 2 of the high-tech amenities and luxurious features found inside the Rivian's cabin. All of this magnificence comes with a cost, though. The i1T is a costly setup regardless of your choice of specs, but so are its competitors. The i1T is available with 3 distinct battery packs in 2023. The large and max battery packs have driving ranges of up to 352 and 410 miles, respectively, while the standard pack is supposed to last for 270 miles on a single charge. The quad-motor test car, equipped with the large battery and 20-inch all-terrain tires, only managed to deliver 220 miles of range on our real-world highway route at 75 miles per hour. A second i1T quad motor with the large battery was tested and found to have a 280-mile range while using 22-inch all-season street tires, according to report. The dual motor with the large battery also yielded the same results. Number 2 and 3. 2023 Toyota Tundra Crew Cab and 2023 Toyota Tundra Extended Cab. After a recent facelift, the Toyota Tundra is among the most technologically equipped trucks in its class. Following the release of a completely redesigned version of Toyota's flagship Tundra last year, the 2023 Tundra offers a previously unprecedented combination of sheer power, luxury, and flair. Inside, you'll find modern technologies that offer an experience that is genuinely unmatched both on and off the road. The all-new Tundra is poised to transform the driving experience with its unparalleled safety features and luxurious interior. With the introduction of a powerful 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 engine in place of the conventional V8, the 2023 Toyota Tundra completely revamps its engine range. With a base model that generates 479 pound-feet of torque and 389 horsepower, this engine not only has great power, but also uses less fuel. You can now drive your Tundra anywhere, even off the main road, with greater confidence knowing that it will provide you with an excellent driving experience and increased efficiency. The 2023 Tundra raises the bar for performance thanks to its iForce Max technology. You may get more power while using less gasoline with this cutting-edge hybrid system, which combines an electric motor and a strong engine. This setup's 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque will get you through any situation, whether you're driving on congested highways or tough terrain. Prepare to elevate your driving experience to a whole new level. The 2023 Toyota Tundra is a powerful vehicle designed for towing and hauling heavy loads. When compared to the previous generation, the new Tundra's average fuel consumption can be reduced by 25% while towing up to 12,000 pounds. Not only that, but the Tundra can carry an astounding 1,940 pounds of cargo. The 2023 Toyota Tundra is guaranteed to provide you with the capability you require to finish the task at hand when all these characteristics are combined. The strongest Tundra ever made is the new model, according to Toyota. With an industry-first box-section ladder structure made of aluminium-reinforced high-strength steel, this truck offers exceptional performance and capability under all circumstances. You can be confident that your Tundra will handle any task with ease because of its sturdy construction, regardless of the difficulty. With so many safety features available, you can work hard and play hard in the 2023 Tundra with assurance and peace of mind. The purpose of Tundra's blind spot monitor is to alert you if a car on either side of you that is in the adjacent lane crosses into your blind area. Without the driver's input, Toyota's integrated trailer brake controller detects the presence of a trailer, determines its length, and initiates trailer merge warning when it detects a connection. Having said that, what would you rather have? The Rivian i1T or the Toyota Tundra? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.